What's up, everybody? Miguel here, and here we are for another Safezone Unicorn Network video. Let's go! Hey guys, today I have an exciting video for you. I am going to talk about the last webinar that we had. That it was several updates, but I'm going to focus specifically today about the Pernum wallet, and we are going to, this is going to be released in different stages. We are going to have a Pernum multi-wallet. This is incredible news, guys. Really awesome. So this is going to be just mock-ups, okay? So this is going to be your Pernum multi-wallet. So we will have different types of how can I say? We'll have different types of wallets so that you can access your assets, your funds in different ways. So we will have a Yam wallet, a fiat wallet for fiat currency, Yam for your Yam, token wallets for instance, your Twnkle estate coin and all of those, and also an asset wallet. So I'm going to go through some of these updates, okay, guys? So these are going to go, as I told you, step by step. Okay, so on the mockup, guys, what we have here, we are going to separate the Pernum multi-wallet in different sections. So this is going to make things easier to navigate and also to take a glance at it. Okay, let's see, for instance, guys, the Yam Wallets. So on here, on the Yam Wallet, you can see that we are going to have the Yam for your everyday money, or FYAM. So this is for free Yam, okay, free Yam. And down below, POS. So this is going to be the proof of stake, and also bids. This is going to be for your Yam bids website if you have access already to it, okay? And the proof of stake, guys, is where you put some of your Yam on our Yam chain, and from there you can receive some benefits, some free Yam every single month. If you don't know anything about it, guys, I will leave a video on the cards and on the description so that you can learn more about it. And also about Yam bids. It's an auction website that it was launched quite recently, guys, about 3 weeks, a month ago. I'd say 3 weeks. And you can start using your Yam and even your free Yam to be able to participate on Yam bids. And also I will leave a video that I did about Yam bids on the cards and on the description. So these are going to be the different things, okay? Then under these variations, your Yam wallet value, so this is going to equal your totals of all your various Yam wallet values. So down below here, okay, this is going to be, it will appear in US dollars, and on the right, if you have a different currency for your tax purposes, it's going to appear, for instance, in euros or yen, for instance, in a Danish crown, whatever is your tax currency. Then, important about the Swiss digital funds. This is run by a total separate company. Those details are going to be on the Swiss digital funds website. Okay, take notes on that. Then we have another one. It's the token wallets. As you can see here, we have Solario, Twnkle estate coin, Twnkle vacation coin, Twnkle mobility coin, and Twnkle shopping coin. So these are tokens, they are not currency, okay? Tokens have a special function for instance, smart contracts for the Twnkle estate coin. Solario tokens, they are worth a voucher for 100 kilowatts of green energy. The Twnkle vacation coin, tokens for buying vacation packages on Twnkle Vacation International Vacation Club. Twnkle mobility coin, so for you to able to purchase vehicles with smart contract on Twnkle cars and Twnkle shopping coin, so to purchase shopping on Twnkle shop. And the Yam, as with your Yam wallet, displayed at the bottom is your total tokens wallet value, and then at your token wallet value in US dollars and your chosen currency. Okay, as you can see, token wallet value is going to appear in US dollars, and on the right, your chosen currency. Then the fiat wallet, okay, this is going to appear this means euros Yam and US dollar Yam, so that we can attach things with our Yam chain. And guys, if you don't know anything about the Yam chain, I will also leave a video on the cards and on the description. So the Yuri and the USDY are stable coins. The Yuri stands for Euro on our Yam chain, and the USDY stands for US dollars on the Yam chain blockchain. They have exactly the same value as either a 1 euro or 1 US dollar. All the transactions on these stable coins that happen from your fiat wallet will be listed on the Yam chain blockchain. This is to give you more privacy, security, and transparency with your transactions. Then we have also an asset wallet. So as you can see, we have different symbols for different assets. One, it's already out, which is the Twnkle gold coin. Okay, then we have going to have several other assets that they are going to launch. We don't know exactly when, but probably quite soon. So we have TSC, so it's going to be this Twnkle silver coin. This is for silver. This is going to launch quite soon, guys. Then the Twnkle TCC for the Twnkle copper coin, related with copper. Twnkle lithium coin for lithium. Twnkle TPC for Twnkle platinum coin for platinum. And TOC, the Twnkle oil coin for oil. So at the bottom you'll see the total asset wallet balance and the balance in US dollars and your tax country. Okay, so these are going to appear, all these different assets, and on the bottom the same thing in US dollars and your chosen currency. Okay. Now, guys, there are some interesting articles. I think that I will leave these articles on the description of the video so that you can learn more about it. And what else, guys? Also, very, very interesting, guys. We are planning. It's being planned and already worked on an IBAN for each wallet holder. So the IBAN will be used to both send and receive wire transfers of fiat currency directly to and from your fiat wallet in your Pernum multi-wallet. The IBAN will be particularly useful with how you choose to send your fiat commissions. We are also working, guys, this is phenomenal, on a virtual debit card that can be used anywhere online where Visa and MasterCards are accepted. Imagine, guys, a virtual debit card, and not only that, but the virtual card, you will be able to use the service where Google Pay and also Apple Pay are accepted. So it's going to give you much more flexibility. And in the this is the IBAN and the virtual debit card. They hope to release this still in 2020. And not only this virtual debit card, the management are working on a physical card, guys, physical card, and we are going to also have commissions also on this virtual debit card, and we are going to have around April and May of the next year a physical debit card where you will be able, from the virtual debit card, you will receive percentage of commissions on $25 and on the physical debit card on $50. So the commissions will be paid on set up fees for both the virtual card and IBAN, and such as commission on virtual debit card plus IBAN. And this is going to appear obvious on WeShareSuccess, which is the WeShareSuccess is our affiliate network where we receive all our commissions, and also on the physical debit cards. Obviously, the commission, the fees are higher, so you will receive a little bit more on commissions. Guys, this is basically about the Pernum Number and all these incredible news. Guys, imagine a virtual debit card connected with the IBAN and also a physical card for next year. Guys, this is phenomenal information, phenomenal stuff that is going to be released, as I told you on the beginning of the video, step by step. But this is great news, more things happening here on the Unicorn Network, and great stuff for everyone. Guys, don't forget down below to give that like and subscribe to the channel, click the bell, turn on your notifications so that you can receive all my latest updates. And as always, it's a pleasure being here with you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you very, very soon.